Hi students, on behalf of the management and staff of Guru Tegh Bahadur Educational Academy Banda Sajapur, I, V.S. Sharma, Principal, urge that all my honey learners are cautious and sensible. During the lockdown extent, all our laborious academics are doing their best for molding you with the available teaching resources. Partaking online learning process will surely hone your intellect and your intrinsic traits will come out. I am convinced that online modes of communicating with your mentors will give you a unique opportunity to explore something and demonstrate yourself much better than you did in your classes. Using WhatsApp, Google Class, YouTube and other net facilities, you will be self-dependent, self-disciplined, self-checker and self-judged. In the absence of the teachers, you will not expect the inspirational sentences from the teachers such as do your work, sit properly, write neatly, don't discuss, don't make a noise, etc. On the other hand, the valuable time and energy of our sincere teachers will be dedicated to teaching and exploration. I observe that some students are becoming incredibly frank and refined through e-learning. Our strenuous educators reflect on the disciples. I have seen some videos sent by creative students, and our teachers also have reported about some students such as Aditi Singh, Samiksha Bawa, Bani Misra, Ansika Singh, Ragini Singh, Naumida Verma, Kalbir Kaur, Rudra Pratap Singh, Uday Misra, Mayank Singh, Abhishek Verma and Omendra Yadav from class 9th. Shauri Saxena and Isi from class 6th. Khushpreet Kaur from class 7th. Kavya, Ashiana, Ekman Kaur and Mannat from class NC. Soumya Gupta, Akshay Gupta, Ayush Gupta, Roshi Saxena and Sejal Gupta from class 10th. Gurvinder Singh, Simranjit Kaur 1st and Simranjit Kaur 3rd from class 12th Commerce. Ansika Avasthi, Simranjit Kaur, Jaspreet Kaur, Gaganpreet Kaur, Jyoti Saxena, Pratik Deval, Gurkirat Singh, Iwad Khan and Priyanshu Misra from 12th Science. Other than these students, there are so many shining stars in Guru Tegh Bahadur Education Academy. I am proud of those all the brilliant students. Our teachers are delivering you videos, charts, diagrams, formulas and various study material which can be assimilated and revised by you. Evidently, the material given by our teachers will certainly comprise all the important topics of your syllabus and the coming examinations. I am optimistic that all the GTVians will follow and cooperate with your well-wishing teachers. You can make amends for the loss made by the lockdown. Please keep on hard work at your home, connecting with the exemplary teachers. Stay home, be safe, good luck.